Hi, guys. Hi, how are you? So, for those of you who don't know, my name is Letitia, and I am the principal agency owner at Edifice Insurance Agency, located in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, right outside of Columbus. And when I'm not selling insurance, I am oftentimes motivating and empowering youth and young adults via leadership trainings, preaching, spoken word, and workshops. During those conversations, oftentimes, I'm going to say always, the conversation leads us to insurance. And one thing that I've learned via those conversations is that homeowners most times are totally comfortable and they totally understand the importance of having some sort of homeowners insurance coverage. But renters often see covering the home as the responsibility of the landlord and not themselves. So today, I just want to take a moment and tell you and talk about how important having a renter's insurance policy is for any renter that may be viewing me right now. Okay, so I have a couple of notes. If you see me looking down, I just want to make sure that I give you as much information as I possibly can. Okay? So the first thing that I want you to understand is that renter's insurance is for you, not the landlord. Now, if your landlord is smart, he or she will have coverage for the home. That will cover anything that's bolted down to that house. The fans, the furnace, the water heater, the home itself. So, if something was to happen, that homeowner is guaranteed to be able to rebuild that property on the shoulders of that insurance company. However, what if something happens? What if there is a catastrophic event? A fire, a tornado that rips through your home today. And it could happen depending on which region you live. Will you be able to replace everything that was damaged or lost? So I want you to take just a couple of seconds right now, and I'll give you a couple seconds to do this, and ask yourself, what amount of money would it take to replace everything inside of the walls of my home if a catastrophic event was to take place today? Go ahead, think about it. 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000? I'll give you a minute. How much money would it cost? Can you replace the appliances that you furnished for the home? Can you replace your electronics? Can you replace your furniture? Can you replace your clothing? Ladies, can you replace your shoes? How much would it cost? Renter's insurance is for the renter, not the homeowner. If you cannot shell out the money that it would take to replace everything in your home that you've worked so hard for over the years, please make sure that you get a renter's insurance policy. Okay? The cost of a renter's insurance policy is minimal compared to the cost of being caught, broke, busted, and disgusted, empty-handed after you've lost everything. I have clients that I've been able to set up with policies that are less than $30 a month. That's less than $360 a year. And here's another tip. It is perfectly okay to pay your insurance premium for the year up front. You're actually doing yourself a service, a greater service by doing so. How many things that you purchased this week alone for $30 or more that you didn't even need? And you don't have renter's insurance coverage. So you're going to take that item that you just purchased for $30 or more that you did not need. You're going to put it in a home that is not covered. If we have a horrible storm here in Ohio right now, and your roof begins to leak, yes, it is your landlord's responsibility to cover that roof, to make sure that that roof is patched up and that you're not living outside while you're inside, right? But it's going to be your responsibility to replace whatever that water damaged. So let's make sure that we're being covered. Remember, renter's insurance policies will not only cover the home, but in most cases, it'll cover things outside of the home as well. Things like a storage facility, right? That you may have because you don't have enough storage space inside of the home. Make sure that you're asking your insurance agent if the type of policy that you have covers those things. You can also get what's called a rider for things that are more expensive than the insurance policy allows. Things like your jewelry, things like your fur coats if you live in the Midwest, things like your weapons. So for those of you guys who have carry and conceal licenses and have weapons that cost well over $500, $600, even $1,000 sometimes, you can have those things covered. But you have to make sure that you let your agent know that you need to have those things added to your policy. So when you sit down with your insurance agent, make sure that you are discussing anything that will allow you to receive a discount on your policy. I love that word, discount. It's one of my favorite words when I'm dealing with my clients. So what are those things, Letitia? I'm so glad you asked because I could not wait to tell you. And they're simple. Here's a list. Alarm systems, smart home systems, smoke detectors, working smoke detectors, not the ones that are sitting in the corner beeping with a red light because they need you to install a battery. Those won't get you a discount. Fire extinguishers. Living within 500 feet of a fire hydrant will get you a discount. Living within 5 miles of a fire station will also get you a discount. These are all things that will help to cut the total cost of your premium. Okay? So lastly, always do me a favor. Always remember to let your insurance agent know that you need total replacement cost to be added to your insurance policy. Okay? So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, even about your current renter's insurance policy, or if you'd like to discover how you can get set up with a brand new renter's insurance policy, give me a call at 317-572-7685. And remember, most importantly, The Edifice Insurance Agency is a full service insurance brokerage company. That means that we're not only able to insure your home, but we can insure your business. We can insure your car. We can insure your nonprofit. We can get you life insurance. We can even insure your pet. We can give you medical insurance as well. So thank you for joining me for this tip on renters insurance policies. And I look forward to hearing from you guys in the near future.